Yeah, he did say that. Yeah. He said he wasn't listening. This guy's an asshole. Yeah. How about you let him out of handcuffs? Yeah, let's let him out of handcuffs. Good news, buddy. Trying to tell him that shit while he's in handcuffs? Fucking asshole. Your aunt misses you. Yeah, he's in handcuffs, dude. You think he cares about that? Ask him 100 times all of his information. Bullshit, man. Not cool. Make him wait here like that long, no handcuffs. Who wants to say sorry to him? Anyone? Can anyone say sorry to him? Excuse me? To what officer? What? Okay, what do you mean?
When his back is to you, don't come up that close.
I can't go behind officers?
Not that close.
Ever? I can't shake your hand or?
You shake my hand up here? Yeah, but don't come up to someone's back.
Oh, I've never heard that. I'm sorry.
Okay.
I didn't know
Well,
citizens were threats, and I thought you might know who I am. Most of you do.
Who are you?
Oh, maybe you don't.
Okay.
You will? Can I go that way or no?
Are you going that way?
I would.
Okay. All right.
What's your name? Do you have a badge? Do you have a card?
I do not have.
Well, can you find one? You don't have any card?